So true. Okay, ito, goal number 3 naman. Travel, ito marami rin may goal nito. Travel to my dream destination.
The first step would be, well, check your finances first, of course. But if everything is set, schedule mo.
Yes.
Plan mo yung
Ang ganda
schedule
nun,
mo.
Totoo.
Kasi may mga times of the year na hindi okay pumunta doon siguro. Do your research kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin doon and who you want to bring. And usually me kasi, I do both eh. I either want to set a place na I'll travel alone or I'll travel with people that, I want to spend time with. So, depende. Kasi, masarap din minsan mag-solo travel ah.
Have you tried?
I have before. And it's a different kind of fulfillment. Kasi parang you get to learn more about yourself. Siyempre, nandun na yung different cultures. Pero yung mas makilala mo yung sarili mo na walang tao sa paligid mo. Parang ibang klaseng satisfaction din.
But what kind of a traveler are you ba doon? Are you the type na you're planning ahead talaga? Or sometimes there are moments na may mood ka na, book na ako ng flight agad?
Ako ganun minsan. There are moments, mas gusto ko nga yun yung spontaneous. Yung wala akong dalang backpack. Actually, backpack lang siguro. Or maliit.
Grabe naman
Kung may luggage ako, walang laman. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari. Mas gusto ko yung mga ganong situation. So, I've done that before na I'd go to a different country and I'd plan it like 2 days before. Tapos kung anong mangyayari, yun yung mangyayari. And I think that's something that relates with what we're talking about now, is not being afraid to just take the first step, to just show up. Sometimes you don't need to have all the answers. You don't need to have everything lined up because in life, hindi naman ganun yun eh. Lahat okay, lahat perfect. Hindi naman ganun, di ba?
True.
So you have to, go there with a mindset na, okay, ito ready ako, ito yung gusto kong gawin. Pero at the end of the day, you have to trust the process also.
Parang it's a different kind of feeling when you achieve all of that after, na parang you'll realize, I did it pala.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, and next naman, ito. Finish my first marathon. Napatigil ka dun. Parang napaisip ka dun.
Hindi pa ako nag-marathon eh. Grabe yun.
Iba ang
klase
training,
dedication.
no?
Yung sister ko si Hannah, naka-marathon na. Yung parents ko, ilan na ba? Naka-15?
Wow!
So, from experience, the first step is to get a coach. Or go to a training na parang club. Or just, if it's your first marathon, if you've never ran in your life, I wouldn't suggest a marathon. Siyempre, I'd suggest 1K
running,
muna, 2K muna, 3K. Get your body checked first kasi baka hindi rin comparable yung ganong klaseng distance kasi it takes a lot. And it's not healthy if didiretso ka sa marathon, di ba? So, step by step, start with small kilometers, small distances, short distances, and do it with a fun group,
That's true.
Yeah.
Again, with the people that we actually enjoy being with.
Yeah, or even
Of course.
complete strangers. Ang daming run clubs ngayon, 'di ba?
Sobra.
Sobrang naging popular yung run clubs and yung mga hangouts na yun during or after the pandemic because for some reason, in a good way, people got more health conscious, I feel. And they really wanted to take care of their bodies and think about what's gonna happen when I'm 40, 50, 60, 70 years old. Will I thank myself for doing these things? So, I think mas nagiging mindset ng tao yun ngayon.
True. And baka tayo, hindi naman talaga ako. Parang lahat tayo parang fitness
Tayo pa rin.
era.
Tayo pa rin.
Sige. Parang lahat tayo parang fitness era, di ba?
Yes, fitness era ngayon. Oh.